years, I've been voicing lovable cartoon dogs like Scooby-Doo, Astro. Hey, I love puppies and dogs. And now I get to help pets that need a voice to save their lives. That's where the Puppy Food Bank comes in. The Puppy Food Bank helps pet rescue organizations so they can feed puppies.
What, you don't want to fucking stop? Fuck you. What, bro? You don't want to stop at the stop sign? Yeah, you got the stop sign. I have the right of way. You're not gonna stop, bro. What are you doing? What's your rush, bro? Damn.
去邊度？
喺個櫃入邊咯，喺嗰個寵物櫃入邊啊，最早又係喺99買嘅，長春買嚟嘅。俾呢啲買，全部買都係先買嘅。嗰度個湯米，哇！隻屌佢啊！將我啲包全部跌咗落地下，佢唔行啦係嘛？係冇同佢整。
Dude! Fucking idiot. Come on! Get out of the road! Stupid nut! Whack job!
me off the fucking road? Come on, cut me off. Hit me, motherfucker. Fuck you. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna fucking move an inch, bitch. Fucking scrub.
Hey, homecoming queen, how's things at home? Still walking on eggshells when that curtain's closed. Did your daddy teach you how to act tough? Or more like your mama, slipping under the rug? Damn good in the dress, zipping up the mess, dancing with your best foot forward. Did you want the crown? What does the way you down? Nobody's feeling sorry.
To have an adequate perspective on something as complicated as the history of work. So who might have that perspective?
Work has always in some ways defined what people do, certainly since the agricultural revolution.
That is James Sussman. He is an anthropologist who spent time in academia and now writes books. He also once held a very unlikely corporate job, which we'll hear about later, England, a farmhouse in France, and the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa, where he's been doing field work for years.
I've been working with Bushmen since...
So basically, I literally said to her, like, I was trying to leave, but basically, if anything goes down, I'm just walking out. I'm just walking out. You'd be like, nope, you don't do that. Do that shit on purpose? Now that I'm allowed to pick y'all up, I'm gonna say she had a